Does Zendaya actually know how to perform on a real trapeze? Viewers saw her do jaw-dropping stunts in The Greatest Showman, but does that mean she truly knows how to do a lot of those tricks on her own? Here's exactly what you should know about Zendaya's physically artistic talents and abilities. According to MSN, Zendaya was soaring above her co-stars in The Greatest Showman, performing very real trapeze stunts. A lot of moves that she could physically do on her own, she was handling with elegance and grace. Of course, there were still also a few moves every now and then that needed to be boosted with CGI. CGI has historically been used in movies since the 1950s, but it didn't become realistic or believable until the 1980s and 1990s. In this modern era, CGI has become so real-looking, it's almost impossible for viewers to tell what's real and what isn't. Zendaya opened up about what the director of The Greatest Showman told her when she was first hired to star in the movie. Director Michael Gracie said she should probably start working out. He outright explained, "You have trapeze rehearsal when you get here, and I want to use the stunt doubles as little as possible." Zendaya wasn't stuck doing tons of trapeze stunt work all by herself, by the way. She was able to film a lot of those stunts with her handsome co-star Zac Efron. Zac gushed about working with Zendaya and Michael as their director with Hello Giggles. Zac candidly said, "Michael was a huge impact on both of our lives, and we could relate to that. I think of his message of love and finding yourself. We connected and bonded over that. I don't know, maybe somehow he worked his magic through us." So, to answer the question of if Zendaya can really perform on a trapeze or not, the answer is yes. She relied on help from body doubles and CGI every once in a while, but a lot of the stunts were all her. She took time to train so she could properly make movie magic happen in The Greatest Showman. It's pretty obvious that the movie did well, because it pulled in more than $462 million at the box office, which proves that it was a wildly successful film. The budget for the movie was only $84 million, which means it definitely generated a profit. What do you think of Zendaya as a trapeze performer? Do you feel like she would have fit in better in a Cirque du Soleil show rather than as a Hollywood actress? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.